Hello children, let's cook together. Here are the ingredients you will need. Prepare them before we start. First, we add the sugar. Then, we crack our egg and whisk it all together. Now we add our flour and the yeast. Sift it to get rid of any lumps and mix it all together again. Finally, we add our milk and mix until we have a smooth batter. We are ready to cook our pancakes. Add a bit of oil to a frying pan. And then, when it's hot, add a bit of butter to your hot pan and wait for some bubbles to appear. When you see the bubbles, it means your pancake is ready to flip, just like this. And now make some more for your family. Yummy!